Doesn't that make you want to just jump in? Good morning, guys. What's happening? It is day 4, I think. Lost track of time already. Having too much fun. I'm heading out to the front lobby to meet up with Colin. Colin's just went out to have breakfast. Today we're heading off onto the Catamaran day tour with some snorkeling, some beach time, lobster lunch, and I don't know, just chilling on the catamaran. Yeah, so it's an early start. I kind of skipped breakfast, it's just getting ready. So it should be a good day of sun and beach. Leg is feeling a little bit better, but just avoiding all that. Jumping into the water right now. But, yeah. Good morning. Yeah. So, heading over to the lookout tower. This is the lookout tower right here. I don't know if you can see with the sun. Yeah. It's actually closed off because it's pretty worn down. Whew. Looking good, looking fun. Be a fun day. Morning, we made it onto our catamaran excursion. Catamaran. Colin's getting jizzed up. Creamed up. Suntan down.
Oh, hey, don't cut that. Don't cut that. And we're back.
And we're back. Colin's getting his suntan lotion on and his muscle spray on because he is the special one in the group. The group of two. Let's see all those mosquito bites.
Oh, you don't want to see them?
Oh,
it's better over here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's disgusting.
And his back.
Viewers will unsubscribe.
It'll be R-rated. But yeah, we are off to the catamaran excursion, heading down to the pier. It's gonna be a good day. It's very hot. I'm guessing it will be at 45 degrees today. It finished raining last night, so it's gonna make it worse. More bugs for Colin to deal with. So that's pretty much it. All he is the choice of. I will make this PG.
The food included, and you're gonna have also open bar in the boat, okay? That's why I guess that for me this is one of the best because this is actually for you having some relax, for you to have fun, for you to do the things that you can do.
Made it to the first snorkel site. I'm not gonna go in. This is pretty much the same as where we were diving yesterday, so pretty much seeing the same. Getting ready to get their snorkel gear. What's happening, bro? What's going on?
Board.
All right, son, be careful. What about a floaty belt? You got a floaty belt?
Yeah, sure how I got one.
Yeah, watch the rope. All right, be careful, dude.
I'll be fine.
You are an advanced diver.
Then I just let Patty down.
Yeah, you don't want to let Patty down. So. All right, good luck. Find that eel again.
You've been here before?
Yeah, we were diving yesterday here in this area, so pretty much, so I know this area.
Like a moray eel?
Moray eel, some rays under the corals. You get a lot of different things. Up the boys down. No, I'm just thinking, let's watch the rope. What's wrong, Colin?
Need to adjust my snorkel.
What's wrong with the snorkel?
It's blanket the wrong way.
Oh.
I was gonna say, if you go to that Polar Beach, the water looks super shallow.
Yeah, our beach is pretty warm.
Alright, we got our lobster lunch and rice and carrots being prepared by the chef in the back.
Mr. Chef.
Mr. Chef. He doesn't see me, but yeah, here's our lobster tails.
More beer.
Yeah, hooks it up. Yep. Alright, so we just finished our second dive, or second snorkel, which is pretty quiet. Not much to see here. So, but it is what it is. I guess it could have been better. So, yeah, this is that island. There's some fish. Colin saw a barracuda over there at the buoyo down there. And we're just gonna have lunch and then head to the sandbar, which we passed earlier. Alright, I'll catch you later. Here's our lunch. Look at Colin, sexy boy, getting ready for his lobster tail.
Oh yes.
Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro. Good trip. Ringo had his contractors come in
To fix his house.
to fix his house. So clear. This is better than Nassau, Lindsay. So we were at that island down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right down there. Somewhere down there. Far away. That's where we were earlier. We are heading to a sandbar. We're just going to chill on the beach for the rest of the day before we head home. That's pretty much it. Perfect day. Look at this. Look at this.
We're at the biggest one.
Doesn't that make you want to just jump in? Awesome. Good times. Wish you guys were all here. Peace out. Made it. Made it to the sandbar. Look at the sandbar, yo, man.
Yeah.
Crazy. This is what happens. This is like being stranded on the island. Alright, I gotta walk on this stuff. Sand's too soft for me. It's like we're in Maldives. Alright, so we're just gonna stick around here for not too long. Yeah, this is sweet. How's my tent coming along? You like my tent? Yeah. Alright. Continue moving to the sandbar. Oh, I'm running out of juice. Opa! This is what happens to a tincture glass sunglasses. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful, man.
Colored.
Colored.
Colors.
Colored. He's blackened.
I'm black and red.
Oh.
Mostly black.
Mostly. Getting there. What happened?
What's the
Entertainer. Anyways, we are back. We are having
It's time is 4:50.
4:50. We're at the snack bar getting pizzas.
We couldn't change our towels because they
No
ran
towels.
out of
We're late for
No
towels.
more ice cream because
No
they ran out of
ice
ice cream. So
What?
we had some coffee.
Coffee, hot coffee.
Hot coffee. And it's
In-
really cold. It's really hot. And,
We're back to day one
We
schedule.
were at the pool and it's not looking very promising. We're like, what day is this? Day 4? Day
four.
3? Day 4?
Day
I
three.
don't remember, but
Pool is not promising.
hopefully there's some new
Lot.
fresh meats. But it's mostly looking like
Boytoon.
Boytoon.
C'est so mean.
Me?
That was my idea, sorry.
I'm not mean. I'm just
Beautiful.
telling it like it is.
So we're just gonna chill for a bit, then go back for some pasta.
Oh, God.
Day 4 of pasta. What
Tomorrow.
kind of pasta are you getting?
I'm hoping there's butterfly pasta,
Butterfly?
but if there isn't, then spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Yeah. That's what happens when you go to
Excursion.
4-star. So it's over. Every day is the same. Anyways, catch you in a bit. Right side. No, don't go to the jungle. He's so proud, look at him. He's totally different. Even the locals have noticed.
They give me more respect because I'm blackened.
Alright, we are now heading to the buffet once again. When does this buffet end?
I don't know.
Tomorrow we get the Cuban.
Too much buffet.
And then we have some scuba diving tomorrow afternoon again. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this pasta is it's getting ridiculous. And the jupei, pig skin, the roasted pig skin. It's missing some hoisin sauce, you know, and some sriracha. But other than that, it's pretty good. I imagine. Can't complain. Anyways, see you in a bit.